Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav Kijbile, belong to Ratnagiri Maharashtra. I have completed graduation from Mumbai University. Then I was searching for a job and I got know about Evision Technosar Private Limited. Evision Technosar is IT requirement and consulting company. I have joined Evision to brain my skill and the trainers very well knowledge and provide good practical explore in each topic and also clear every doubts when our possible, and also they provide placement training and opportunities. After 45 days of training vision, I found lead out job offering in a IT service with good package with help of Evision placement team, and I am recommend everyone to join Evision. I also once again thank you Evision